My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making a smoothie bowl. We're making strawberry avocado chocolate smoothie bowl. So we have our wonderful trilogy here, which encompasses our hemp hearts, chia seeds. I say chia, some people say chia. So chia seeds and flax seeds. We have our vanilla, we have our frozen strawberries, our frozen avocados, as well as our almond milk. And we have our wonderful garnish for our smoothie, peanut butter, some dark chocolate chips, some fresh strawberries cut up, some almonds and sliced almonds, as well as our sugar-free strawberry syrup and chocolate syrup. Strawberries has vitamin C, K, and magnesium. Our avocado has vitamins B2, B3, B5, B6, C, E, K, folate, potassium, magnesium, and it's your healthy fat. Dark chocolate, which is your dark chocolate as well as your dark chocolate syrup, contains copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc. So I have a cup of almond milk here. And I'm going to put, I want this to be nice and not even much in this bag. So I'll put one more big strawberry. So it's about, granted the bag is not all that big. I would say I did 3/4 of the bag. And the reason for it is not just because of the vitamins for the avocado, but avocado will also give you this nice creaminess in your smoothie as well. And so I am going to do, and as you know, avocado doesn't really have such a pronounced flavor. It is delicate and it is considered a fruit, not a vegetable, but I know we eat it with a lot of savory food and as well as some sweet foods. It is great for baking. So I am actually going to take probably just a quarter. Yep. A quarter of this bag of avocado. I will add another strawberry. There we go. And now this is sugar-free and it's keto-friendly. So you can go to Chocolate Zero. This is not sponsored if you want to have it. So this is about a teaspoon of that syrup. And we're gonna put our vanilla extract, just about a cup full, which would be equivalent to 1 teaspoon. I just love vanilla and think that it's fantastic in everything. This is pure vanilla extract. Okay, so you want a baby spatula if you're not using a big tub of Greek yogurt to make your smoothie. All right, so here's my smoothie. My smoothie bowl. Got all my good stuff here. Okay. Get all my good stuff here going on. So. Since this is my smoothie bowl and I'm eating this myself, I don't have my gloves on right now since it's all for me. You already know if it wasn't and other people are going to eat it, you know I'd have my gloves on. Okay. Outer. Let's get out here. Now's the time to get creative. You're watching an artiste in action. I mean, this is a great thing, right? You can make your bowl the way you want it, the way you like it. So now I'm going to put my syrup, drizzle my syrup here, my strawberry syrup. Again, you can design yours however you like. I did this with some chocolate, some peanut butter, some strawberries, some sugar-free strawberry syrup, and some almonds, and of course our trilogy mix, which has our hemp hearts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. And this, of course, has the almonds, strawberries, chocolate, again, the trilogy mix of the hemp, chai, and flax, and some chocolate granola. And I'm gonna put my sugar-free chocolate syrup on my strawberry. Give it a drizzle. It's kind of thick. Okay. So here are smoothie bowls. You can create and make your own design. My designs were this for my smoothie bowl, and they all have the same ingredients except that one has granola and chocolate syrup and the other one has strawberry syrup and peanut butter. But they all contain our healthy trilogy, which is the hemp heart, chia seeds, as well as flax seeds. So guys, it's all about being creative. You can have a smoothie bowl anytime you want. Breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner. Yeah, that's right, I said dinner. Sometimes people don't feel like cooking, they feel like being a little laid back. And so you can still have something nutritionally sound in your stomach that's nutrient dense and have a smoothie bowl. And so I'm gonna taste our first bowl. That's good. Everything in here is delish. Granola, chocolate granola, strawberries, not overly sweet dairy. Like if you're doing the keto diet, you probably couldn't have the granola. But everything else here you could have. You could even have this chocolate syrup because it's keto friendly and it's sugar free. And the nuts. And here, even the strawberry syrup is keto friendly. What I love about this is that it's not overly sweet at all. In general, berries tend to be low in sugar. Raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries. As you notice, there was no additional sugar added. Even though the syrup it says strawberry syrup, it's keto friendly and it has no sugar. So there was no additional sugar added into here, and that's what's great about this. Do not forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying what we're putting out for you. Thank you so much, guys. Really love you. Thank you. Have a great day.